Welcome to our YouTube channel and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. Lei Jun, Xiaomi CEO, introduced today the Redmi Note 7, the first phone that's part of the new Redmi sub-brand. The phone has a 48MP camera with Sony IMX586 sensor, Snapdragon 660 chipset, massive screen and battery, while costing just 999 Chinese yuans, $150. The 6.3 inches LCD comes with a waterdrop notch for the selfie camera and Gorilla Glass on top. The resolution is Full HD+, and Redmi quotes a screen-to-body ratio of 84%. The Qualcomm chipset might be a bit old, but it's still plenty fast and its CPU runs at 2.2 GHz. There are 3 memory combos for the Redmi Note 7: 3/32 of a gigabyte, 4/64 of a gigabyte, and 6/64 of a gigabyte, and there is a microSD slot as well. The main camera is clearly the biggest selling point of the new phone. Its native resolution is 48MP, but due to its quad Bayer filter it's better used for outputting 12MP images with large 1.6 µm pixels and real-time HDR. There is a secondary 5MP shooter for AI purposes and portrait mode. The selfie snapper, tucked in the notch, is 13MP. The battery has 4000 mAh capacity and supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 4. The Redmi Note 7 has a USB-C port and comes with a regular 5V/2A charger in the box, but you can add a fast charging block in your package for just 10 Chinese yuans. This will enable 9V/2A charging options, which Lei Jun said will top up the phone from 0 to 100 in 1 hour 43 minutes. Initially introduced in blue, twilight gold, and black, the Redmi Note 7 start from 999 Chinese yuans, but this is for the 3/32 of a gigabyte variant. More storage means more money. 1,199 Chinese yuans for the 4/64 of a gigabyte phone and 1,399 Chinese yuans for the 6/64 of a gigabyte variant. This means that even the most generous option is under €210/180. Pre-orders have already started, with shipments scheduled for January 15th. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.